try as he might, little legs are no match for sharp claws. But his wings are covered in thousands of tiny, slippery scales. Even the mightiest mouse can't get a grip. Evolution won this battle for him. He's a lover, not a fighter. Well, that's the plan anyway. A big brown bat can see in the dark, using sonar to pinpoint its prey. Traveling miles through the forest has taken its toll. He's totally out of fuel. But this is the best crash landing he could have hoped for. The pheromone trail has led him to a female. With his very last scrap of energy, he climbs to her. Once they've mated, she'll carry all 400 of their eggs. Only 1% of his species ever get to mate. So, he made the most of his short life. Every scrape, battle, and crash landing was worth it.